Okay, good morning, students. My name is Bharti, your math teacher, and today we are going to continue our 8.3 from question number 8. We have already done question 7.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Deep, read question number 8. Read.
Amina buy a book for
Amina Bai.
275 and
Is it Amina Bai?
buys. No, ma'am, buys.
Yes, Amina buys a book. Next.
Buys a book for 275 rupees and sell it
Sale.
at a
It is
loss of
sale. It is sells.
15%.
Sells. Not
Sells
sale. It is sells.
it
Sells it
it
at a loss
at
of
a loss
15%.
of
How much did
sells
she
it
sell
loss
it
of
for?
15%. How
Yes, you have to. This is your buying price CP. What is the CP? Rupees 275. What is the loss?
35
Loss is
lost
10%.
15%.
Okay, you have to find out the SP. What is the formula for SP? Nancy. Here it is CP
60
into 1 प्लस और माइनस लॉस या फिर प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय 100. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. if there is loss if there is loss, then 1 minus loss upon 100. This is the formula. Okay, if there is profit, then CP into 1 plus loss upon 100. This is the formula. Sorry beta, it is network issue there. Now is it visible? Okay, what is the
No,
CP?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. CP,
It
ma'am,
is visible?
275.
Yes, it is rupees
Yes,
275. What is the loss? It is 15%. Find out the. Yes, formula for CP, it is, sorry, formula for loss, SP, selling price. It is loss equals to CP 1 minus loss upon 100. Apply the formula. What is the SP? We don't know. What is the CP? It is 275. 1 minus what is the loss? 15 upon 100. Okay, solve it. Solve it yourself.
Ma'am, three. Ma'am, three.
3. How 3? 275. 5 3 जा 15, 5 20, 21 जा 20 and 27 upon 17 upon 20. Cancel it. Cancel. Five fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25. Multiply these two numbers. Do it in your notebooks.
Ma'am, 10:45. Ma'am,
Yes.
10:45, ma'am. 1,045.
1045. Divided it by 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 6 are 24. 4 1 are 4. Okay. And 4 twos are 8. 4 fives are 25. This is your SP. Okay. Correct. Correct. Next. अमाउंट मीन्स वो पैसा होता है जो हम लोन प्लस इंटरेस्ट, ठीक है, जो हम लोन लेते हैं और उस पर इंटरेस्ट भी लगता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अमाउंट. इट मीन्स प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट इज कॉल्ड अमाउंट. अमाउंट क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द अमाउंट? अमाउंट इज द मनी दैट इज इक्वल्स टू प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. ओके. Is it clear? Deep, what is the principal? Equals to, please.
Ma'am, 1,200.
Yes. What is the rate? Rate of interest.
Yes, ma'am, 12%.
12%. What is the time? That is 3 years. 3 years. Find the simple interest. What is the formula for simple interest? It is principal into rate into time upon 100. Find out. P into R into T upon 100. Solve this. What is the principal? Rupees 1200. What is the rate? 12. What is the time? 3 upon 100. 20 will cancel 20. 12 12 144 and multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 and 113. 3 1 are 3 and 1 4. 432. This is the interest. What is the interest? It is 432. Okay. What is the amount? Amount is 1200 plus 432. Add the both head ends. Add. It is rupees 1632. This is your answer. Okay. Deep, switch on your video. Deep, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
आवाज आ रही
ma'am.
है ना? Done this
Yes,
question?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do the next one. That is same.
Yes, ma'am. Pause question.
Done the part
No,
B.
ma'am.
Deep done. What is the principal?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, principal 7,500.
7,500 rupees. What is the rate? That is 5%
Wait, ma'am, 5%.
per annum. Okay, what is the time?
Time, ma'am, 3 years.
3 years. Find SI. SI means simple interest. Okay, P into R into T. You know the
T.
formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the principal? 7,500. Rate is 5%. Time is 3 upon 100.
300.
Cancel 15.
2T.
5 3 ja 15. Multiply 75 by 15. 15 5 ja 75 7. 15 1 ja 15 and 7. 22. It is 225. Okay. Rupees 225
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the interest. And what is the amount?
7,500.
7,500 plus 225 is 5277 rupees. 7,725 will be the correct answer. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
is your answer same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nancy, now clear? Nancy, now okay. Question 10. Read question 10, Deep.
What rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of 56,000 in 2 years?
Yes. What rate gives rupees 280 as interest? Means interest is given. Okay. SI is
Yes, ma'am.
given and sum is also given. Sorry. Principal is also given and time is also given. Then what to find? Question is asking for rate of interest. What is the principal?
Ma'am, principal, ma'am, 56,000.
56,000. What is the time?
Time, ma'am, 2
Time is
years.
2 years. What is the rate? We don't know the rate. Okay, what is the interest? SI, it is rupees 280. Here it is the formula for rate. 100 into interest upon principal into time. This is the formula for the rate. Now apply the formula and find out the answer. Deep, do your question.
Yes, ma'am.
Done Deep. It is rate 100. What is the interest? That is 280. What is the principal? 56,000. And time is 2
देखा है
20 will cancel 20. 10 will cancel 10. 28 2 56. It is 1 upon 4. Okay. What is the rate?
खा लो नहीं
1 upon 4. Okay, Deep. This is the rate
Yes, ma'am.
percent. 1 upon 4%. You can solve it in decimal also. 0.025%. Okay, read the next question. Next and the last question of the exercise and the chapter. If Meena give an interest of 45, now interest is given, rate is given, and what is the sum she has borrowed? You have to find out the principal. Principal asking rate, it is 9%, and what is the interest? It is rupees 45. Okay, now try to find out the principal. Apply the same formula. Principal equal to 100 into interest. Now rate and time is given. It is 100 into, what is the interest? Rupees 45. What is the rate? That is 9. And time, that is 1 year. 9 1 ja
1 year
9, 9 5 ja 45. 500 rupees. What is the principal? 500
500
rupees. Okay.
yes ma'am
Okay. Okay. Okay, Deep. Sorry, that was my mistake. We did a question wrong. That is question number 8. We will do it again. Okay, what is the CP? That is rupees 275. And what is the loss? That is 15%.
15%
And what you have to find out SP, selling price. Formula for SP, that is CP into 1 minus loss upon 100. Okay, SP is equal to, what is CP? That is 275. 1 minus, what is the loss? That is 15 upon 100. Okay, 275. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. It is into 75, 17 upon 20. Now solve it. Solve it. 5 4s are
yes
20. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 935 upon 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 7s are 28. And 4 5s are 20. This is the correct answer now. there was some mistake in the question that we done before it. This is the correct answer. Hi Nancy, it is almost over. ओके हमने ये वाला क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा यहाँ से मिस्टेक कर दिया था. आई रियलाइज इट आफ्टर डूइंग इट. यहाँ पे थोड़ी मिस्टेक हो गई थी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, तो मैंने इसको दोबारा कर दिया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके नैन्सी.
Yes.
Yes, and we have completed question number 9, 10 and 11. Okay, this is on simple interest SI P into R into upon 100. Okay, principal is given, rate is given, time is also given in both the parts. And here it is, interest is given, principal is given and time is given. Rate, formula for rate, it is 100 into interest upon principal into time. And formula for principal, 100 अप इंटू इंटरेस्ट अपॉन रेट इंटू टाइम. ये दोनों तीनों फॉर्मूला लगेंगे 9th क्वेश्चन में, 10th क्वेश्चन में एंड 11th क्वेश्चन में. नैन्सी, इफ यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग यू कैन आस्क बिकॉज you were you know absent. Network issue. Here it is. I am suffering network issue here. नाउ करके देखो. ये आपके पास 6 मिनट बचे हुए. नैन्सी, आप करके देखो. कोई नहीं आता तो पूछ लेना. ओके, जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. Done, Nancy? What is happening, Nancy? Have you completed your three questions? All three questions?
No, ma'am.
Then what are you doing?
मैम समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
समझ में नहीं आया. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता आपको? सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. It is principal 1200. This is the formula. What is the rate? It is 12%. What is the time? 3% upon 100. 20 will cancel 20. It will be 432. And the question is asking about amount. Amount पूछ रहा है question. तो amount होती है principal plus interest. Okay, what was the principal? And this is your interest. It is 1632 rupees. This is your amount. Okay. Okay.